Introducing the Alienware AW3225QF, a gaming monitor that defies expectations and takes your gaming experience to the next level. Boasting a 32-inch curved 4K QD-OLED display, it's a powerhouse that sits perfectly in the middle ground, providing the best of both worlds. The AW3225QF stands out with its stunning visuals, thanks to excellent color accuracy, a broad color gamut, and an impressive 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Dive into an immersive world of gaming with a 240Hz pixel refresh rate and VESA adaptive sync for smooth, tear-free gameplay. But it's not just about performance. Alienware's distinctive aesthetics make a statement. The 32-inch display is framed by bold black bezels, and the back features the iconic two-tone black and white color scheme with customizable RGB lighting. The rear design not only adds to the gaming aesthetic but also cleverly conceals a ventilation layer to prevent overheating. Connectivity is seamless with DisplayPort and HDMI options, and the 4 USB ports add convenience to your setup. Stand offers versatility with height adjustment, tilt, and swivel options. Though it sets a new standard for gaming monitors, the Alienware AW3225QF does come at a premium, making it an investment for the dedicated gamer.